Audisleo begins with the steady beeping of medical monitors and the buzz.
Evacuate the chamber now! Oh God, run! Run! Welcome, gentlemen. You are now...
Facility lockdown initiated.
Structural integrity is failing.
Look out! Kong is at the window! He's gonna break it!
Activate the secondary containment field and dispatch the pacification units.
Sir, the pacification units are still in development.
Deploy them, now!
What are you doing?
Restoring control, by any means necessary.
Excellent work. The containment field is performing as designed. The creatures are secure. Begin detailed and... They understand their place. The field is stable.
Yes, General. The energy readings are optimal. They are contained.
Are they communicating?
Not in any way we can detect, sir, but their behavior suggests some form of...
Sir, the creatures appear to be demonstrating cooperative behavior. Our projections didn't account for
I can
it.
see what they are demonstrating, Doc.
How long until the facility evacuation could be completed?
Minimum 4 hours, sir.
Begin evacuation procedures.
Quietly. I do not want to panic the personnel.
The arena structure cannot withstand the vibrational stress caused by the creature's unified presence.
Initiate full facility evacuation now.
Redirect the flow to sublevel B. I want a security sweep on this corridor immediately.
All units, new rally point is sublevel B. Let's go.
Get everyone out of here!
I'm calling 911. They're coming down the street.
All units, maintain perimeter at 34th. Evacuate civilians immediately.
Be advised, air support is inbound. Do not engage the targets.
Echo 2-1. The targets have halted at the exclusion zone.
Hold the line, I repeat. Do not engage until authorized. They understand where the command authority is located.
What are your orders, sir?
Stand down.
Sir?
Evacuate the building. Now. All units, fall back to the secondary rendezvous point. The package is secure. Repeat, we are disengaging. Over.
Roger that! Moving out!
Overwatch reports subjects are crossing the bridge. Hold position at the exclusion line.
They are gone. They have escaped into the wilderness. They are no longer our responsibility.
Should we pursue them, sir?
No. They have demonstrated that they are intelligent. Listen.
Sir, if they ever decide to return to the city, our current defensive systems would be overwhelmed.
That is why we'll not provoke.
Sir, the creatures appear to be creating an exclusion zone. Wildlife is fleeing.
The ecosystem is restructuring around them.
The final report on Project Transformation is complete.
They are no longer a containment risk. Project Transformation is not complete.
This project will change everything, sir. The implications are staggering.
Yes. And that is why it must remain classified.
Whatever is causing these changes, nature appears to be adapting. We will continue to monitor the situation.
Sir, the perimeter patrols report no changes. The creatures remain in their territories.
Good. Maintain the perimeter. They are no longer mine.
They are beautiful.
Dangerous, yes, but also beautiful.
Yeah.
They have bonded in a way that transcends their individual power. They are not just surviving, they are building. Kong has created shelter structures.
What does this mean? It means they are building civilization. This changes everything.
We recommend continued remote monitoring, but no intervention. The creatures have earned their freedom and deserve our respect.
I spent my life trying to control nature, and in the end, nature controlled me.
The roar shook the ground, I swear it.
And these tracks prove it wasn't just a bear. Look at the size.
I don't know, but the silence afterwards was strange.
They have built something remarkable, something that transcends what we created. They have made their captivity into freedom.
Command, Creature A7 shows minor patrol route deviation in Sector 4.
Acknowledged. Bio readings remain stable. Continue passive monitoring.
They are no longer what they were created to be. They are what they choose to become.
I spent my life trying to control nature. I failed. And in that failure,
Are these creatures merely folklore or something far more?
Ecosystem changes are unprecedented.